Ideal palace. Thousands of years ago there lived a king. His people loved him because he took care of their needs. At the end of each month he would invite some of the nobles of his kingdom to rate his work and offer him advice. The king built many things. Every year he rebuilt his palace, and every time his palace looked better than before. Wonderful, unsurpassed, praised the messengers, and the king was delighted. One day the king thought, "This year I will build an ideal palace with every comfort. This palace should be praised not only in my kingdom, but also by the people of the neighboring states." The next day, the king drew a perfect plan for his ideal palace. After completing it, he handed it over to the builders and masons. About a month later, the ideal royal dream palace was ready. The king invited the nobles of his kingdom and neighboring states to get their opinions on the palace. "Incredible! This is indeed a perfect palace," the nobles shouted in unison, but the saint standing in the corner said nothing. The king wondered why the saint remained silent as everyone praised his palace. He approached to the saint and said, "Please tell me, O saint, why are you silent? Isn't my palace perfect?" The saint replied in a calm voice, "Dear king, your palace is strong and will stand forever. It's beautiful, but not perfect as the people living in it are mortal. They are not permanent. Your palace will live forever, but not the people in it. That's why I'm silent. A person is born empty-handed and he will leave empty-handed." The king thanked the saint for his wise words and never again attempted to build a perfect palace. Moral: the root of suffering is attachment. Anything that isn't yours, let it go. Your refusal to do so will lead to your long-term happiness and benefit. Whatever you do to improve yourself. It is better to do nothing than to do something wrong.